I just can't get my feel of those heels. Oh, but still, no matter where I am in this land, I feel alone when I'm not at home. Oh, 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 hi-oh, hi-oh. Oh, 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 hi-oh, hi-oh. Oh, 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 hi-oh, hi-oh. Oh, 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 hi-oh, hi-oh. So if you see me,
They're still now.
hunker down.
It's just proof that it's not a bad circuit.
Yeah.
When I first moved in, I actually had the circuits redone because I thought it was a circuit problem. This room always has gone crazy till right now.
All right, let's do this. Here we go.
See with that metal heater?
That was me. Just remember this.
Heater, is that you?
Peter, are you here with us? What happened in this room? Why is there so much energy in this room? Can you make the lights flicker? Can you touch that little red light in the middle? We'll know you're here if you touch it. Walking, walking.
Why did the lights flicker when I was here last time?
Give him just a little tidbit to know what you're talking. Like, say it was personal stuff or something. Just
Why did the lights flicker when I was talking to Wes a couple weeks ago about my family situation?
walking, walking.
Keep walking.
Keep walking. It is quiet in here. So listen, we think it's quiet in here. We think nothing's here, okay? We may have heard one little thing, but we want to know you're here. We're going to go upstairs. We're going to go downstairs. We're going to find you. We want to talk to you. We're not here to bother you. We just want to ask you who you are and what you're doing here. Can you tell me who you are? You heard something? I'm going to stop it. Okay, so let's go. Can you tell me who you are? You heard something? I'm going to stop it. You heard something?
I get animal voices, so I get animals. The other day I got a dog barking in a train.
I get a lot of cats. I get a lot of cats. So I might get the Black Panther.
The guy who was the railroad
I
guy
usually bark in
used
my
to bring
sleep.
his dogs with him in the car. I'm like, I got a dog barking in the train car. That's
If you're getting stuff here, this is the most neutral place in this house.
You think it is? All right,
Do you
let's try.
concur?
Yeah, so we hang out.
I think something happened here, but it was probably good. It seemed like to me like
This was the
I'm
entertaining.
thinking it's more
Says
like the
flicker.
VIP area. Well, maybe it's how it looks. I don't know. Maybe it's my mind.
To me,
Thinking with
the
me.
dining room is when I'm here and we're talking about real shit.
It seemed like to me like
This was the entertaining.
I'm thinking it's more like the VIP area.
Talking about real shit.
The
That dining room.
Oh, this room
Yeah.
next door is super.
It's
What do you
I
disturbing.
heard it.
If you
The,
felt
light, the
anything, what would
lights
it be?
go.
Nobody
I
likes that
see.
room.
You
Nobody
feel
will
se-
sit in that room.
How about, do you feel like shortness of breath in that room, suffocated?
No.
I don't feel
well, we
that,
don't
but-
really go. I don't. We don't
Nobody
really,
wants to be in that room. Nobody.
The one with the mirror?
Right? No, right,
right
here.
here. Right
That
I
here.
just
middle
redone
room?
it. Nope.
Oh, I'm talking about that back room.
No, I'm talking about this room right here. This yellow room.
Yeah.
All right, we're
Nobody-
here.
Oh.
Let's do this.
Ooh, I want to be in that room. Okay.
Peter Sells, right? Who else under this house? When would it have been like kind of brothel-y?
1927
Who was
to
under
19.
that house?
United Commercial Travelers. It was like an extended stay hotel, kind of.
Okay.
They had their main building across the park.
So this wouldn't have been anything, really.
It was their fraternal building.
Okay. Here we go.
Drinking and
Partying. I need to know what happened in this room right here. Was there sex or anything like that here? Maybe drugs, alcohol?
was there prostitution in this room?
Mary, did you have Billy in this room?
She said, mm-mm. See, nothing in here.
I need to know what happened in this.
See, nothing in here. See. See.
Know what happened in this room right here. Was there sex or anything like that here? Maybe drugs, alcohol?
Yes.
Was there sex or anything like that here? Maybe drugs, alcohol? Was there prostitution in this room?
Just sex.
Just sex.
Just good, normal sex.
You have Billy in this room.
Nobody answers you guys.
Well, I was curious.
Yeah, but I'm like a catalyst
I was
for
curious
ghosts,
because
though.
when you asked your question, I heard a high-pitched, like, woman from up.
Listen, anything she finds, she has to go back and listen to later, but she'll send you everything.
I will
that she
send you
finds.
everything. I guarantee you. I'll
She'll
probably
get a
have
better
50,
voice.
and you'll hear it plain as day. And I'll send you the wave file too, where you can actually look at the wave and see that there's a voice in there.
So hers
So-
records better. Mine records the easiest. Like if there's a ghost.
So if you see me hunker down in your town, I'm just watching the clock on the wall till I can go to the place I love most of all. Radiate or just wait to die.